Hey guys, welcome to Champion Crew Credit Repair System, also known as NoMoreComplaining.info. Now, why did I pick those two names? One, because if you're a champion with your credit, you're not going to be complaining anymore, and that's pretty much it. So what do you get? For the $10 plan, which most people are going to opt for, it's going to be really simple. You enroll, we send you an email with some instructions on how to obtain your free credit report. You upload that to us, email it to us, or you could even text it to us if you would like. All of that contact information is going to be in that initial email. So we get that, give it a day or two, and you'll get an email with attachments already pre-filled. These letters are going to be written. You're going to have some data that you're going to send to the credit bureaus or the credit reporting agencies, whatever you want to name them, that will start your dispute process. So essentially what's going to happen is you're going to pay just that small amount of $10 a month, and well, you're also going to get the second month free, and you're going to be able to fix your credit yourself. You're not going to have to pay $100 for somebody else to do it per month. It's just not the way we roll here. Again, $10 a month is all it's going to take. We do most of the work. All you have to do is essentially click a few buttons on your computer and drive to the post office, following the instructions that we give you. Again, welcome to NoMoreComplaining.info, Champion Crew Credit Repair Systems. Have a great day.